You did it! You changed your address! I'm Bridget Harvey and welcome back to a change of address. You thrived through the board process. The pro movers treated your treasures with care and now you are in your fab new home. First things first, take a slow walkthrough. Take notes and photos of any repairs or projects that you want to complete. Next, hire someone to hang your artwork and take care of any minor repairs in one day. It'll save you so much time and effort. Once the contractors are done, change the locks on your doors and reset any remote access codes. Keep a running list of things that you may need from the store. Trust me, you don't want to be caught without hand soap or a soft pillowcase the first night in your new home. And finally, meet the neighbors. They are a great resource for local service providers and learning about the neighborhood. If you're planning any renovations, slip a gift card to a local cafe along with a note introducing yourself and ask to see their renovations and apologize in advance for any disruption that your contractors may cause. Most folks are house proud, and a local cupcake will sweeten the construction noise. And remember, invite me over. I want to see what you've done with the place.